Hello there friends, it's Narika and I'm here with a really quick tutorial for you. We're going to be making doll rugs for the master bedroom of the Joneses. So let's get started. First thing I do is get some scrap felt and I cut that down 2 inches by 4 inches. Once I have that, I lay down a strip of hot glue gun and I take my pom-poms. I try to find complementary colors between the felt and the pom-poms, but it really doesn't matter because the pom-poms are going to be covering up the felt. So I placed about 5 pom-poms on the strip of glue, try to get it a little bit over the edge, the pom-poms hanging off. That way you definitely don't see the felt at all. From there, I lay another strip of glue right next to the first strip, and then I place the pom-poms in between the previous pom-poms from the row. So it's going to give a staggered look as opposed to like right next to each other. It's not going to have that hole in the middle. And then I just continue that process of laying down a strip of glue and putting down the pom-poms until I get to the end of the rug. Here you can see better what I'm doing now that my work is in frame. Sorry about that. But I want you to watch how I use the hot glue gun. Once I lay my strip, I lift up my glue gun a little bit and I swirl around the tip. This is going to glue the glue down and allow the glue to come off your actual work. This technique will help prevent you from having those long drawn out strings of hot glue gun when you pull it away from your work. So just swirl it around a little bit until you see it disconnects and you should be totally fine. That's what I do. It works for me, and when I don't swirl it around, I do regret it because I get those long endless strings. The reason I made this rug was for it to go in the master bedroom, which was the setting of my last Living the Jones episode, which was The Biggest Love, but I forgot to put it in there. But don't worry, I plan to expand that room, and these rugs will make an appearance in that expansion video that I plan to make for you guys. But you know, this was really cool. The inspiration for this rug was a rug that I actually have. It's called the Lowville Shag hand woven rug. I got it from Wayfair and I liked it so much I decided I'll make it in doll size. So here we are, and right now I'm almost done with the rug. If you can see, I'm just making sure that I get the same number of rows of pom-poms in as I did as the first row. It's a total of 11 rows. It might vary for you, it just depends. But I just wanted to make sure that the two rugs matched, and I'm just getting in this last row. It's barely fitting in, but I'm making it happen. And here are the rugs. I think they look super cute. And yeah, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this quick craft with me, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one. Good and bye and blessings.